Afternoon to all of you, and my name is Sachin Kumar. I very respected my teachers and my friends also, and I am wishing you also. And today we are going to do a debate on the topic: the social media is good or bad. So this is we are in the favor of the social media is very good, and this is my team, me and my team, and we will share our views and information which we have on this topic.
Hello everyone, I'm Fatima and my team is in the favor of social media is bad. So view is social media can damage relationship by reducing face-to-face interaction because people talks only on messages, calls and texts. So what about you?
I want to counter your message and your information. As you said, the social media is damaging the relationship between the people and the which we are their friends and not. So, if you know the in the past years when we have no internet connections and no social sites, so we are if someone is too far from his home or so how will he connect with each other. So when we have, that's why the technology has enhanced and then the developer has created some social sites and all the technology, so that's why we are connected to each other. Does not matter how long or how distance is between VHL, and we can connect each other by the social media, and that's the only reason why it's day by day going and influencing the people and the society and the nation.
Okay, I agree on your point, but some people who live near us and we also talk those people on calls and messages, and I think that is reducing relationship by face to face. And I think it's way better that we meet them and we spend time with them. It's way better than calls and messages.
As you said, the people who are living nearby and our friends and our community in the neighborhoods, they are not connected by each other by the in face to face, as you said. But you know, in the daily life, there are too much busy schedule and the busy people and are living there. So that's why the reason people are not connected by the each other by the face to face. So that's the reason why they have created technology, social sites. So that's why we are connected to each other, no matter how much busy we are or not. That's the reason they are we are using or staying connected with the social sites and the like Instagram, WhatsApp, and there are also apps which we are going to which we are connected. That's why that's created. I think this is not a valid point that you have shared.
But social media helps in learning. Some students take online classes and they improve their marks. Like some students take classes of math, science, physics, chemistry, or etc. Students study on social media, but most students don't use it for learning. They use it for games, reels, and chatting. That's why their marks go down. Not up, only a few use it the right way, and many get distracted. Yes, but millions of students use it for learning. It depends on how we use it. Social media is not bad. It depends on people how they use it. Basically, social media platforms are designed to be addictive, exploitive, psychologically vulnerabilities, and it's not just about individual mentality. It's also about the platform designs.
That the social media is not about it's all about the not about the mentality and it's all about the developing the apps and features which they created. Okay, so there are lots of no there are lots of categories of the social media accounts. Like if you want to do studies and find jobs and any kind of activity which you are involved in, so you have to take care of it. But what kind of need you have? I want to be if I want to study, so I will go for the studies content. I will not go for the games and videos and for interesting content. So I will go for it. If they are basically there are lots of categories. If you want to go for studies, so you can go for studies. For games, so you can go for games. If you want to do something like learning a skills and developing yourself, so there are lots of categories which we are developing. So that's there are it depends on our needs, so which what we need. So if we go for it, then we are.
So, okay, so what is the role of these apps? Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, they doesn't provide educational content or information. They just waste our time. In Snapchat, we just click pictures and send snaps and chat with others, and in Instagram we just scroll. And Facebook and Threads, they are not providing any kind of educational information. Only some apps are providing.
that's are not the fault of a social media platform like Instagram. That's are the fault of people who give their mobile phone to their children's. Um, Apps like Instagram um, ha- um, helps people to and give them a chance to become a content creator and promotes many sites and anything. If parents allowing their child apps like Instagram, there is a setting known as parental control, uh, which uh, which can parents set a time limit of the app, how many time how many hour or minute he can use that app.
Okay, so as you said that uh, is not the mistake of social media, it is the mistake of people who use it at that way. So there are some content creators and influencers who promotes vulgar content and abusive contents. Instead of reporting their account, they make the trend of it and everyone follows it and make it viral. I will tell you some of the name of influencers like the Rebel Kid Apurva, Elvish Yadav, Kerry Minati, Rajat Dalal, and now they are come on the top list of most famous YouTuber and influencers. Like how? By promoting these type of vulgar content.
As you said that there are lots of people who are posting wrong content and bad videos and vulgar content. So there is a specific department created by the social sites and the users for users. So they have so to take care of that they are posting or not. If they have posted something wrong and vulgar content, so there is a organizations and also a team and who are taking care of it, and if they have found something nonsense and kind of vulgarity in the social site, so they just report their account, and also they also can be a punishment for them, like to get them in a jail or kind of amount of charge or money in, to stop them. And they are not also they are not get viral by the posting wrong contents, and they are just they just get viral by the because of their vulgarity and the wrong materials which they are there posting on the Instagram or any kind of social site. So that's why they are punished by the government and the social site creators and owners. And they are also and they also have posted the people names and the Academy Minati and Rebel Kid and the other the boys and names and boys and girls creators name, and they have also posted some last month and some few weeks ago they have posted some vulgar content, so that in the behalf of the society and the people responsible for, and they have also taken action against them and they have suspended their accounts and their shows also. There was a show in the latent show. It was organizing by a person whose name is Samir Rena. It was gone banned, and there has also had not get still a bail on the from the jail. You know why? Just because they were posting the wrong and vulgar content and negativity, and that they were spreading the negativity in the society. So that's why the action which was taken by the social site owners and the creators.
That they get arrested because the type of content they posted. So I'll tell you that they are not get arrested for very longer because of their fan following. They get bail of it, and now they are still posting these type of content, and their accounts are still as it is. No one could stop them. No one take action to against them, and no one could report their account. In fact, they have lots of fan following and followers, and because of those followers they are still posting this type of content and people loves it and support it, and it's not good for kids and new generation.
Not only children but adults, old and young, everyone has become a victim of social media because at the age when children should be study, they are busy watching video YouTube, and this is hindering their mental development.
It's not mistake of social media, it is good. It's not mistake of social media, it is not mistake. Old social media is very useful people, but you use provide anything this time, and small kinds and using videos, she videos, old people's use videos, newspaper like this. I come to your answer because we can stay informed without sacrificing our mental health and productivity. There are some news channels we can use, news apps or website check on evening and morning.
Said everyone is using social media and they are damaging their mental health and mental capacity and the health. So I will say, if you know the people are using in social media and there is no age bar limit in the using of social sites and any kind of media which we are they consuming in their daily life. As you know, the people are who are not they are so illiterate and they have no sense of using of the how the people information and things. So they are getting by the using of the in social media and sites. They know about the news they are happening which happening in our society in the cities and they also there are some ladies who are not they are not allowed to go outside the market or any kind of house. So they are they by the using the social media they are using they are enhancing their self and they are using cooking and their kind of knowledge they are getting from the social media and they are implementing in their life in the social life. So they are getting praised by the society and the communities and their families also. And one more thing, there's just imagine if you are if you know something in your life and about the knowledge, any kind of knowledge, and you have posted it on the social media, and we don't know about it, and we have watched it, and we are know, oh, okay, there's something which new a method and kind of technology which you have done. So we will also get learned by, and we will also get learning by them by you. So that's the plus point and positive point of the social media. There's a no airbag. Anyone can learn from it, and there's a no matter how many your age or kind of thing.
Let's suppose 10 people use social media in a wrong way and 2 people use it correctly. So they saw them and feel like that they are very different and their thinking is very backward, and because of FOMO, fear of missing out, they also included in those people, and that is not good for our environment, and it's also damage our mental health. Environment is also created by people, those who use social media, and most of the people use social media in a wrong way. In fact, people make online friends and they share their secrets with them, and they get attached with them, and when they leave they get hurt, and they also misuse with their pictures, and I think that's make them very feel insecure, and it's also promotes depression or anxiety.
I wanna counter your message and information because as you said, the people are using lots of people using in a wrong manner and people are using in a good manner. So they will get a form of we are separated or unique mentality people from the others. As you said, it's not about the we are debating on the people debating on the social media is good or bad. We are not debating on the people mentality and what they feel or hear. Okay, so we are talking about the what kind of social media impacting on us on it. So if you know there are too many positive sides of a social media, and I know there are everything for not only for the social media, there are everything for everything. There are the positive and negative side. As you know, the people are getting informations, knowledge. They get influenced by the people on the social sites and which you are following. And I know people are not using some people are not using the right manner or right use of social media and sites. If we follow or aware about our actions and our using of kind of apps and videos of which we are showing or watching or not, so it always going up for us.
We also lost in matlab ki we also disconnect from real world and lost in social media's fake life and unfiltered beauty. What about this? And get lost in social media's fake life and unfiltered beauty. What about this? Fake beauty standard, like we saw beautiful people and we get insecure. We are very disconnected from reality and we just scrolling all the day, and some people start judging themselves by seeing other people on social media, and I think everything is not real on social media. They saw other people and they think that they are very beautiful or they are very rich and the lifestyle is very perfect, and they are feeling very low confidence, or it's also hurt their self-esteem and self-confidence, and I think it is a big disrespect of their own existence and individuality. So what about this?
As you said, people are some people are and most people are posting their fake lives and lifestyle about their social media, so that they can share like I am living my own life and living my own standards and everything. So it can be a positive sign also. If just imagine I am not in the if I am not in the status of like you, so I will just do hard work for it. Like I wanna just like be like with you, and I just like want to be like to be like you, like to start to communicate each other and to show like you, to talk like you, and like everything which you are posting or people are posting on their lives.
Yeah. So as you said that we saw other peoples and thought they are very beautiful and whatever rich. So we're trying to be like them, and we start working on it. We start working on it to be like them. So don't you think that we are perfect as the way we are? It's our specialty that the way we are. We don't need to get we don't need to feel insecure about ourselves, that why we don't like her, why we don't like him. We are perfect as the way we are. That's our specialty.
As you said, the people we have to be like ourselves, not we have to copy each other, like we have to follow. Okay, just imagine someone is a good teacher, a good communicator in social media, and he or she posts everything which he has or not. Okay, so you just imagine I also want to be a good teacher or a good communicator, so I will just follow his or her steps which he have taken by, so that he is on that kind of status and post. So it's also as so as
Social media is the best work and expensive in COVID-19 all our world. By social media, people easily connect with family and friends all time and all where. Seconds. Counter your answer. Yes, social media connects us to people far away, but it disconnects from people sitting near us like own parents and siblings. We stop talking to family and keep looking at the screen. So real life relationship become weak. So social media connects the world but breaks the home.
This time social media is very trending for shopping and other work. People get product without going to market and cheap price. The answer that you said that we get home services like food and everything. So what about those people who take the shop in the market? No one go to the market and purchase with them. They just do the online shopping, and people get very lazy. They don't even think about those people who spend their lots of money in their business. They just use online apps and they become very lazy.
Person who have local shops have shifted their shops to the online platforms. And the past few years, there was a pandemic named COVID-19. All the shops are being closed, and the apps and all the people are using the online apps to buy groceries and any other stuff.
Shopping is not included in social media. Okay, and if some people are those who have local shops, they convert their business into online business. So at that time when that we have there is a COVID-19, so at that time there is useful, but now at this time, what is the use of it? And what about the people's laziness and productivity?
Your answer. Social media is a powerful tool for a businessman. It helps permit her bond, reach new customers, and build strong relationship with her audience. Her platform like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, she can market product, share her stories, grow her businesses with low cost and high impact. It also offer networking opportunity and inspiration from other success women in business.
So as you said that it helps women for business. So don't you think that girls should have go out and explore the world? Why they just stay home and does the work at home? It just felt like housework, right? And First of all, financial benefits of few should not justify negative experiences of many.
Some parents are not allowed in this girls. Girls are not going to outside. That's why girls are doing some business and start grow up.
Many parents has stereotypes thinking that girls not work outside. Some girls think I stay at home and work from home. First of all, in this century, no one could think like this that she is a girl, so she don't do this or this. And if parents are things like this, then why they give phone to their children? Like phone, why they give phone to girls? They don't even give the phone. Okay. And if they